Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send money from Rocket step by step. If you want to send money from your Rocket wallet, this process is simple and only takes a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Rocket app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Fund Transfer. On the next screen, select NPSB MFS. After that, tap on Select MFS. From the list of available mobile financial services, choose bCash. Now enter the bCash mobile number where you want to send the money. After that, enter a reference if required. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Once you've filled in all the details, tap on Next. Now enter your Rocket PIN or password to authorize the transaction. After confirming your PIN, your payment will be processed, and the money will be transferred from your Rocket wallet to the selected bCash account. And that's it. This is how you can send money from Rocket step by step. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.